Okay, just please tell me what happened.
Okay, so the story of the phone and how it broke was basically my dad was running on the beach
Mm-hmm.
and because there's like a sidewalk on the beach, he was running on the sidewalk and then he dropped his phone on the sidewalk and it
Okay.
like broke
Okay.
badly.
Okay. Gotcha. Makachoke. Ready with the privacy screen and
Wow.
the back. Now it's no cracks.
So
Check it out.
it's definitely better than before.
Yes.
And much shinier.
Like it?
Yeah, I love
Oh wow. Thanks for the the good reaction.
it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.